This is your new chapter, your new beginning. There comes a point in life when the life you've been living just begins to not feel right. When the ways we used to move through our days don't fit anymore. When we don't quite recognize ourselves, and yet we know we can't go back. It's the moment we're asked to let go of what was and step toward what's next. Even if we don't know what that next chapter looks like. This is what I've been moving through over the last few years, and maybe you have too. Quietly, slowly, I've been writing a new chapter of my life, closing one chapter that no longer aligns and opening another one without rushing it and without forcing clarity. Much of 2025 for me was about stepping away from what didn't resonate anymore. I stepped away from ways of living and creating that no longer felt true to me. And something shifted in me, an awakening of sorts, and there's no going back. I'm becoming someone new, even though I'm still getting to know who that is. And so I'm writing my next chapter. And if this resonates, I hope you'll walk alongside me. We don't have to do this alone. When I look at the outer world, the pace, the pressure, the way I notice most people are living, it no longer feels aligned for me. I feel as though I'm in the in-between, that liminal space where the old has fallen away, but what's coming next is still hazy, still forming, just out of reach. If you're still here watching this, I have a feeling you know this as well. My new videos here are an invitation to explore this new chapter together. If you've been here for a while, you may know me through my art. I'm curious, do you consider yourself an artist? My art and my business has become something very different for me now. It's no longer about producing as much as I can, creating sellable art, promotion, or keeping up. Instead, art has become a way for me to heal and to come home to myself and listen to my soul. The process itself has become meditative, like a mirror of my inner world or a glimpse of the world I long to live in. And you don't need to be an artist to feel this shift. Maybe it shows up in your life through cooking, writing, walking in nature, or simply longing for a slower, more meaningful way of living. With my return to YouTube, you may notice this channel changing. And to be honest, I wasn't sure if I would return at all to YouTube or even my art business. I've been deep in motherhood and in many ways just trying to survive, mostly from my own mind. And somewhere along the way, I lost myself a little. So this is me, gently unearthing a new version of who I am. These videos aren't about views, numbers, or money. They're about relighting my inner fire and hopefully offering you something warm and meaningful along the way. You can still expect art content here, but it will be slower, softer, and more meditative, uplifting, grounding, something we all deeply need right now. This is not a hustle space. It's not a productivity channel or an art tutorial channel. And it's not an art business strategy channel. This is a space where art, spirit, nature, and healing meet. A place to feel softened, inspired, and realigned. And if I'm being honest, I need these videos just as much as anyone else. Before returning, I made a promise to myself to create only when it feels grounding, gentle, and nourishing. To let this space give more than it takes. And the moment it starts to not feel that way, I will step back and take a break. So here's what you can expect. A slow, imperfect upload rhythm. Art as a healing and meditative practice. And this could take form of laid back, dreamy art tutorials, perhaps. We'll see what happens. Reflections on creating a beautiful, intentionally slow life. Gentle meditations and reminders. Authenticity, spaciousness, and room to breathe. This next chapter I'm writing isn't about hustle, schedules, or expectations. Instead, it's about restoration and nurturing my roots before growing my branches. And my roots are inner stability, a natural rhythm as a mother and artist, creating from overflow and reconnecting with nature and my soul in a deeper way. And I wonder, what would it look like for your next chapter to give back to you? Where would you feel yourself being quietly guided? If you'd like, you're welcome to share a hello in the comments or simply let me know you're here. I've truly missed this community and the connection we've shared over the years. And I'm really glad to be back in a different way, but a very special way. Thanks for being here and watching.